A few days ago, I needed to use Blender's Bake. It was very painful. It always couldn't give accurate results. It was either too bright or too dark. I checked Google for a long time, but didn't get an accurate answer. In the end, I finally found the simplest and the most accurate method. Okay, let's start. If you have a model, whether you made it yourself or downloaded it, you can see that it has a lot of materials and textures. You must know that each material and texture is a drawcall in the game. In order to optimize the efficiency, we hope to reduce the drawcall as much as possible. So we are going to combine material and texture into one. First, merge the models into one and create a new UV, which can be named Bake. Repack all the UVs. Here I use UVPack Master, which is very convenient. It can automatically calculate the optimal layout, which is what a computer should do. Then we separate the model by material. The Bake plugin I use is Bake Tool, and other Bake plugins should be similar. The built-in Bake function is also available, but it is very troublesome. Create a new job, change to Atlas and Target, uncheck Generate Object UV and Generate Alt as UV because we already have Beta UV. Then add all objects to the list, all selected as the newly packaged Target UV. Add a pass and select Diffuse. Then set the resolution, the color space is sRGB, and the sample size is 1. Cancel direct light and indirect light. And bake. Why? Why are the colors different? The following 2 points are the key. 1. We need to change the color management to standard and the film effect to none because color management will eventually affect the output color. 2. Make sure that the principled BSDF shader is the default. Many parameters in it will affect the bake result, especially the subsurface. Even 0.001 will have a great impact. This is why I was looking for it so hard. We delete the baked result and bake again because we can get alpha channel. Yes? Okay, this is the easiest bake method I found. If you have any questions, please leave me a message. Painful.